Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're on a roll. We just done LILI's film 1. We're now on LILI's film 2. So Lisa dance performance video. We are here. We done number 3 already. Like I said, I will link it above my head at the end of the chat. At the end of the video, sorry. And you guys can go and watch that one also. So let's jump in this one and see what is going on. Let's go. Where's all my blinks at? Let's go. Views, the views. Craven.
Sun right real tight, got a nigga craving. All night, that's right, falling on the table. Off-white fit, nice, Balenciaga, baby. That's fat, real snack, got that nigga craving. I've been on a jet all day, yeah, ooh. Even when I'm chill, I'm still cool.
Hey. That's what we're talking about. Yo, the energy. The energy. So effortless. I have a question though. How does she pick which song to dance to? What makes her choose the song that she dances to? I don't know. If you guys know in the comment section, let me know. Let's go. Ready? Shoot them.
I've been on a jet all day, yeah. Ooh.
Ready now.
Even when I'm chill, I'm still cool.
Ready
now. Spend a chicken, don't trip. I breathe cool. Yeah. Get it right back. Every day, get it back. I can't write back. You'll see my face every day. I can't hide that. Anyway, what they say when I write back. Right, real tight, got a nigga craving.
Yo, she's
rolling on a day.
She's fucking killing it.
Nice Balenciaga wavy. Pass fat, real stank, got that nigga craving. Got a nigga craving. All night, that's right, falling on the daily. Off-white fit, nice Balenciaga wavy. Pass fat, real stank, got that nigga craving.
Girl, she's killing this. We're gonna go again. The energy is real, bro. The energy is real, bro. LILI's film. Number 2, Lisa dance performance. Let's go. Yeah. Once she done this, she's ready.
I've been on a jet all day. Yeah.
Ready.
Even when I'm chill, I'm still cool. Smoke and then I be cool. Spend a chicken, don't trip. I breathe cool.
Rude.
Get it right back. Every day, get it back. I can't write back. You'll see my face every day. I can't hide that. Anyway, what they say when I write back. Sun right, real tight, got a nigga craving.
I've been fun with it. I've been fun with it.
Fit, nice Balenciaga wavy. Pass fat, real stank, got that nigga craving.
I've been fun with it.
All night, that's right, falling on the daily. Off-white fit, nice Balenciaga wavy. Pass fat, real stank, got that nigga craving.
She's having fun with it. Filmed by Welch, choreographed by Cheshire, performed by Lisa. Woo! Yo,
Shopify's point.
Big up the choreographer, man. Big up the choreographer and big up the video personnel. You guys are killing it, man. Lisa is just Lisa, bro. Lisa is just Lisa, bro. Lisa is the queen, bro. Big up Queen Lisa. Guys, please remember to drop a sub for me. Subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you want number 3, the link is in one of these videos above my head. All right? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.